All right. So when we're problem setting, right? I like to believe I'm dealing with like, ninth graders, right? So we're grown, we know how to be in control of ourselves, right? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And you guys are not kids per se, Like you should always strive to be older than you actually are, as opposed to like behaving younger than you actually are. Do you agree?
Yeah, but it's hard because like I want to be an adult because an adult life is hard.
No, not saying be an adult.
Just be
in terms
more
of
mature.
exactly, just in terms of maturity is what I'm talking about, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yep.
You guys are not kids, right? So there are 2 points, right? -5 and -2. If you guys look in your package, Rebecca, -5 and -2, and then 0 and -4. Does anybody know how to find a plot on a graph? Like, if I tell you plot this, how do you know that? How do you know where it's supposed to be? Jonah.
Well, you can just do the line first, so -5 will be over here, and then -2 and down there.
Okay, nice. This is what I want everybody to do. On the question where it says -5 and -2, put an X for -5 and put a Y for -2. Just on top of that. Alright. We're gonna get to that in problem set B. Alright. So X and Y, right? Because this is your X line and this is your Y line, right? Jonah, you with us? Your X line goes across and your Y line goes from up and down, right? So if I say where's -5 and 2, you're gonna find on the X line, you're gonna find -5 right here, and then match it with -2.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
Rebecca, right? You gotta keep your eyes here, right? Right? That's the way. There's 2 things. You gotta look and you have to listen. It's the only way we can learn, right? This is where we get this point. Now, if I want to plot for 0 and -4, I want you guys to do the same thing. Put an X here on your paper and put a Y, right? Do it on your paper. There's for 0 and -4.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So if we were to look for this is 0 here, and -4. I just looked down to -4, right? So we have these 2 points. If I connect them, I connect them like this. It's already connected on your paper. It doesn't have to be perfect when you have to do it, right? This goes like this, right? This line, if you were standing right here, say maybe this is Naisha standing right here, right? She's walking down, right? It goes all the way down. That means it's a negative. What were you gonna say?
I was going to answer the question.
Well, it's not a question yet. Taylor, listen.
Okay.
When you have a graph that goes down, that's a negative graph, right? That's a negative slope. So for number 1, where it says part A, this slope is what? What would you guys answer? It's on your packet. You're choosing either positive, negative, 0, or undefined. And what are you gonna say? And why is it negative? Right? Because the direction is going down. That's what makes it negative. So everybody should circle A for the first one. Jedi, do you understand why it's negative? Can you tell us? Because it's going down, right? Taylor, can you tell us why it's negative?
It's going down.
Because it's going down as well, right? All right, so we're understanding it. Now, you guys are gonna do the next one by yourself, which is number 2. Tell me, is that graph, do you think it's positive, negative, 0, or undefined in your paper? And then we'll have a few share outs in your paper. Let's take like 10 seconds on number 2. All right, Rebecca, tell me number 2, is it positive, negative? All right, remember, if it's negative, it's a graph that goes down. If it's positive, it's a graph that goes up, right? Like think about it, a positive thing goes up, right? It's positive. You feel good, it's positive. Your mood is up. If it's negative, it's down, right? So everybody waiting for one person in the back. And Taylor, did you guys answer number 2?
Yes.
Taylor, what was your answer for number 2?
It's positive.
Why is it positive?
It's down.
Because it's pointing up. Rebecca, what's your answer for number 2? If it's going down, it's negative. If it's from here. Like imagine you were right here. And you going up or down. See how this one is going down? Starting from here. Right, so this one is going up, right? Because you're starting here, you're going up. This one is you're starting here. You're always walking from left to right. Alright, everybody get that?
Yes.
Alright, cool. For part B, right?
I already did all of them.
What was your answer for part B?
I would answer A because 3 comes first and then 2 goes second.
A is not the answer, and I'll tell you why. Right?
Okay,
So-
it's B.
Hold on. Let's not just take guesses. If we make guesses, then we're just picking random options. Right? We need to understand. Right? I need everybody back to question number 1. Tell me, briefly explain your answer in part A. Why did you choose negative as your answer? Just give me a sentence in your paper for part 1. All right, Sophie's on it. Rebecca, tell me, why did you choose? This is negative. This is going down. And then tell me why did you choose negative? All right, actually, Naisha is on it. Right? What's your reason?
Because the line is going down.
Yeah, so write it down. Write it down right there. Right here. All right, Taylor, you have it? All right, perfect.